Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you a chunky Jane Austen vintage journal that I've made. This is jam-packed, this one. I've used kits from Artie Mays, Tsunami Rose, Dreams, etc. There's quite a lot going on in this one, and it measures 8 inches by 5 1/4. There are 88 pages front and back, and lots of things like paper clipped in, so you can do other stuff with it. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So the cover is one of Artie Mays' images from one of our kits, and I've printed that out, and I've also Mod Podged this one. I just wanted to see any difference in it. And because of some of the, not because of, but some of the images have got this kind of like book type spine on them, I thought that this would go really well as a cover. So I've stitched it onto some coffee dyed cardstock as well, so it's nice and thick, and we have eyelets and some string as a closure. So let's go inside. Excuse me. As you can see, it is rather chunky. So I've done some stenciling on the inside and on the back, making sure I'm in frame. Now this I think is from Tsunami Rose. Like I said, I've used quite a lot of different things throughout this journal. Yeah, Tsunami Rose I think. And here we just have a Terri Woods flip out. So you know the usual, do these in most of my journals. Terri is linked below. There's some stamping there. Papers have all been tea or coffee dyed, one or the other. And this is a large tag. And this tag here is from Dreams, etc. And it's not from a Jane Austen kit. It's the Country Cottage, I think it is. So I used that. Got a journaling card here from Artie Mays, and that pops in there. And I think this is from Artie Mays as well. Just back that onto some white cardstock. We've got a doily, some edge punching, and this is from Tsunami Rose. And then I've got a tab on there, and we've got this tag here. And I put that onto some lined paper, but the lined paper is going that way, so you can do your journaling horizontal. This is from Dreams, etc. and it's from one of her like planner kits, I think. So I used one of the pages and I've just folded that up so you could do your daily planning on this. Just coffee dyed on the back. So that's just on there. Sorry, that's moving around. Here, this is an idea from Climmy, who is Climmy Creations. She is also linked below. This journaling card is from My Porch Prints, and that opens up so you've got all that journaling room. And that just pops in the back of there to keep it closed. This is from the old design shop. I've run out of my little paper clips. I'm having to use my big ones. Large tag, stenciled and stamped. Telegram here, this is from Tsunami Rose, and I sewed that onto a coffee dyed index card. And this tag is from Artie Mays. We've got a crocheted tab here. This envelope is from Artie Mays. There's nothing inside it, but there is plenty of things in here that you could add inside if you wanted to. Journal card, which could quite easily just pop in there. Another doily, some edge punching. This is Tsunami Rose. Here we have just a little pocket. This is actually from Artie Mays. Again, this is Artie Mays. Just a little booklet, and these flowers are from one of Artie Mays' collage journal kits. And I just popped that, fussy cut that, inked around the edge and glued it on there. And like I said, it's just a little booklet. This idea is something from Stephanie, who is Vintage Journal Studios on Instagram. This is a tag from Artie Mays. this is Tsunami Rose as well. Here we have a upcoming events, so you can write some notes on that. And that's some ledger. Here we have another little flip out. This is from one of Dreams Etc's kits as well. It all just goes nicely with the Jane Austen theme. Here we have an envelope, that's from Artie Mays, journal card inside there. We have a large tag, and then I made just a couple of these little flips that you can journal on, and a little heart as a stopper, and then a stamp there. So that goes on there. Whoops, the tab nearly got caught then. So that's that. Here we have this. You know, you could have used this as a pocket, but I just used it as like a bookmark, so you can just pop it in anywhere. Just backed it onto some cardstock and then done some stamping. Hope I'm not. This is slight. I think it's because this has been Mod Podged. It's sliding around. Just some large flip outs stamped inside there. Stop, smile, breathe, life is beautiful. And I've inked around the edges and then stamped on there, and then the heart as a stopper, and that just goes on there, and that pops on there. As I said, you can move everything around. Not Dreams Etc. Tsunami Rose. And here we have a double pocket. We've got this large tag in the back there, and then we've got some lace here, and this is from Dreams Etc. And it just pops in there. Maybe I should corner around that so that it doesn't catch. A doily, some edge punching. This is from Tsunami Rose. I've just put a tab on there. We have a crocheted fabric tab, some lined paper, centre of the signature. We have another one of these. I haven't glued that down. Have I? No. This says in here, it's supposed to say be happy, be bright, be you, but there's the B's missing off of the B, the word B. So obviously didn't stamp that very well. So that pops in there like that. And we have another one of these, which you can use as a bookmark. And that just pops on there. Here we just have another one of these little flips. So you know when you've got all these like little end pieces when you're cutting down paper, keep them and just make little notebooks and things like that with them. It don't have to be as wide as that, but we have a Jane Austen tag, and then this is from Dreams Etc. and it says remember, so you could just write down some notes. Again, it's been coffee dyed or coffee stained. We've got a tab here. Now, this is my favourite page. I haven't done this in a long time. I got this idea from Narissa Bailey quite a few years ago, where she had done in one of her personal journals, she had like envelopes that all flip up, and you know, she tucked things inside. So in each one is one of these little cards, so that's the same in all of them. So I won't take them all out, but there you go. That's what you get inside. Well, why won't that go in? There we go. And they've all been decorated with a doily, a ticket butterfly, and some eyelash trim. So yeah, I think that looks quite sweet. There you go. It's my favourite page. Some more from Tsunami Rose. Lots of journaling space. A tag. Another little flip out. Love the roses, so kind of romantic looking. Oh, what happened to my paper clip there? There we go. Another pocket, journaling card, that's from Artie Mays. Another one of these booklets with the little rose on there, again that's from Artie Mays. And that all pops in so. We have another envelope here, journal card. There's nothing in the envelope, but that's what it looks like. Crocheted tab, and here we have a tag, a telegram sewn onto an index card, and then this card tag, sorry, from Artie Mays. And then we have another one of these flips. This little journal card is from My Porch Prints. We have another journal card, a tab here, and a little flip, not a flip, a little fold away. So, and that's paper clipped on. You can see I used various different paper clips in this, because like I said, I was running out of the smaller ones. And then here we have a flip, double pocket flip. Again, this is a Terri Woods inspired pocket. All folds up, and you can do some secret journaling under that. We've got the Tiffany & Co tag. This is from Dreams Etc. Then we have this journal card and a tag from Artie Mays. And then the paper clip just holds it all in place, otherwise it would all fall about. And I just normally tuck the paper clip underneath of the doily. That's obviously if you put a doily on there. And that is the back. So that's the journal. Like I said, it is chunky. There's a lot in this one, but a lot of it is removable. So yeah, there you go. All the links will be below. This will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.